Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: remove a kitchen sink. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Removing a kitchen sink might seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and a step-by-step guide, you can easily accomplish this project. Whether you are upgrading your kitchen or need to replace a damaged sink, this guide will walk you through the process of safely removing your old sink. Tools and materials required: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, bucket, putty knife, safety goggles, towels, pipe wrench, plumber's putty or silicone sealant, replacement sink. Step 1. Turn off water supply. Before starting the removal process, it is crucial to turn off the water supply to the sink. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them clockwise to shut off the water flow. Step 2. Disconnect drain pipes. Using your adjustable wrench, loosen the nuts that connect the drain pipes to the sink. Place a bucket under the pipes to catch any remaining water and debris. Once the pipes are disconnected, set them aside. Step 3. Disconnect supply lines. Next, disconnect the hot and cold water supply lines from the faucet. Use your wrench to loosen the nuts and carefully remove the lines. Be prepared for some water to drip out during this step. Step 4. Remove sink clips or brackets. If your sink is secured to the countertop with clips or brackets, locate and remove them using a screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place for later use if needed. Step 5. Loosen sealant or putty. Carefully run a putty knife around the edges of the sink to break the sealant or putty holding it in place. This will make it easier to lift the sink out of its position. Step 6. Lift and remove sink. With the help of a friend or family member, lift the sink out of the countertop and place it on a protected surface. Be mindful of the weight and size of the sink to prevent any accidents during this step. Step 7. Clean the area. After removing the sink, clean the countertop surface thoroughly with a mild cleaner and a sponge. Remove any old sealant or debris to prepare the area for installing the new sink. By following these steps and using the right tools, you can successfully remove a kitchen sink on your own. Remember to take your time, follow safety precautions, and proceed with caution to avoid any damage or injuries during the removal process. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on remove a kitchen sink. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.